Hello and welcome to Nutrition Academy, hosted by Nutrition Maker Software. Today we're going to show you how to personalize your software to meet your facility needs. We highly advise you take a few minutes to set up and personalize your software with things like your logo, personalized messages, meal plan templates, and things like that, because in the long run, that will save you a lot of time and a lot of hassle. You really don't want to be in the middle of personalizing your program when you're in the middle of a nutrition consult and trying to issue meal plans and talk about healthy eating with your clients. So let's get right to it. There are a few things that you'll want to start with initially to get your software personalized for you and your business. The first step is to go to Settings, drop down to Administration, and go to the General section. This will allow you to put in the label that you want to show up before your name. In this case, clinician, might be dietitian, etc. The next step is to drop down to User Information. Here's where you can put in your name, email, upload your photo. You can also change your password here as well. The next step is to go to the facility information. Here you can put in your company name and address, website, and things like that. You can also upload your logo. To upload your logo, you'll simply click on the Upload Logo button, choose a file. It can be in a PNG or a bitmap, and then you'll choose the file from your computer files and it will upload it. The next step is to go to Notes. These are statements that will accompany the email or texts that your patients or clients receive. And this happens when you first set them up as a client, as well as when you issue any nutritional information like meal plans or questionnaires, or if you assign any tests like weigh-in tests, etc. The next step is to go to the client experience. This is where you can choose a color palette that will match or complement your logo color. As you can see, we do offer a variety of color palettes. If there is a color scheme that is not here that you prefer to have to match your logo, contact us and we'll be happy to upload a new color palette pattern. After you've done that, you can drop down to appointment types. The software does come with some preset appointment. You may opt to edit or create different appointment types based on your needs. Go to Hours. And here you can put in the hours that your business is open. For instance, currently we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday from 9 to 5. If you want to add work hours, say that we're open 10 to 3 on Saturdays. You can save that, and now you'll have additional work hours. Thanks for watching. If you're an existing customer of ours, we hope that this tutorial has made your job a little easier. If you're not a current customer and you have interest in our nutrition software, please remember we have a 2-week trial. There's a link down below. It's totally free. There's no obligation. Try it out for a couple weeks. If it meets your needs, feel free to sign up. We have plans from very small facilities all the way up to large ones. So keep that in mind, and we'll see you on the next training video.